Good morning, children. How are you? These days, we are doing the chapter division. In the previous video, we had learned division of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit divisors. And today, we will learn division of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit divisors. And for this, for division, we use multiplication tables, right? To divide, we use multiplication tables. Today we will learn division of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit divisors. Children, division of 4-digit numbers is done in the same way we do the division of 3-digit numbers. सिर्फ एक डिजिट इसमें इंक्रीज हो जाता है, तरीका वही है जैसे हमने 3-digit numbers को किया था. So, our first question is divide the following. And A part is 3924 by 8. That means we have to divide 3924 by 8. So, first of all, we will arrange the numbers as shown in the slide. Now, 3924. In this number, 3 is present in thousands place and we will start division from there. But 3 is not divisible by 8. 3 smaller number है, 8 bigger number है और big number से small number को हम divide नहीं कर सकते. So we will take 39 together. We will treat 39 as 39 hundreds. So we will now divide 39 by 8. Now 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Now 40 is bigger than 39, so we will take 32. 8 fours are 32. Now subtract 39 and 32. 39 में से 32 को minus करेंगे, we will get 7 as remainder. But before that, we will write 4 as quotient above 9. 9 के ऊपर हम 4 लिखेंगे. 39 का जो 9 है उसके ऊपर 4 लिखेंगे as quotient. Then 39 minus 32 is 7. Now we will bring 2 down. Now the number becomes 72. 72 tens. Now we will divide 72 by 8. And 8 nines are 72. So we will write 9 as quotient over 2 and we will write 72 under the dividend 72. जो dividend हमारा 72 था उसके नीचे हम 8 nines are 72 लिखेंगे. And now we will subtract 72 from 72. So our difference will be 0. 72 minus 72 is 0. Now we will bring down 4. Now as 4 is smaller than 8, so it cannot be divided by 8. So we will put 0 as quotient and write zeros under 4. And now we will subtract it. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So our answer is quotient is equal to 490 and remainder is 4. Now next example is 2882 divided by 7. Now again we will arrange the numbers as shown in the slide and next we will start dividing. We will try to divide 2 by 7 but 2 is smaller and 7 is bigger, so it cannot be divided. So we will take 28 together and we will treat it as 28 hundreds. So let's divide 28 by 7. 7 fours are 28. So we will write 4 as quotient over 8 and write 28 under 28. Now 28 minus 28 is 0. Now bring down 8 and 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. We will write 1 as quotient over 8 and 8 minus 7 is 1. Now bring down 2. It will become 12. Now we will divide 12 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So 1 will be written as quotient over 2. So now our quotient is 411 and remainder is equal to 5. Our question is, find the quotient of each division and verify your answer. That means we have to find the quotient and we also have to check our answer. क्वेश्चन भी फाइंड आउट करना है और अपना आंसर भी चेक करना है, वेरीफाई करना है कि आंसर ठीक आया या नहीं आया. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 840 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 and you know we have to check our answer also. So first of all we will arrange the numbers as shown in the slide. Next we will divide 800s by 4. Now 800s divided by 4 is equal to 200s. So write 2 in the hundreds place in the quotient. Quotient is written above the dividend. Dividend के ऊपर हम quotient लिखते हैं, you know it. Now next what will we do? We will write 8 below 8 given in the dividend. So we will write 8 here because 4 2s are 8. After writing 8 below the dividend 8, we will subtract them. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next we will bring down 4 tens. 4 tens को हम नीचे लेके आएंगे and we will divide it by 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So we have got 1 10. So we will write 1 in the tens place in the quotient, means we will write 1 above 4 which is given in dividend. Now next we will write 4 in the tens place because 4 ones are 4. And where will we write it? We will write under 4 which is our dividend. 4 tens were our dividend. We will write under it 4. And now we will subtract these 4s. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And next we will bring down 0. 0 present in 1's place. Now both the zeros are present there. That means we cannot divide the sum further because we cannot divide 0 by any number. So we will put a 0 in quotient also in 1's place. So this way we have completed our division and we have got quotient, that is 210, and remainder here is 0. Now let's verify our answer. And for verification, you know we have a formula, that is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, and it should be equal to dividend. अब हमारा quotient क्या है? 210. Divisor is 4 and remainder we have got 0 and dividend here is 840. So we have put the values of quotient, divisor, remainder and dividend here. Now we will multiply 210 by 4 and in result we got 840. 840 plus 0 is equal to 840. So because we have got 840 which is our dividend, so our answer is verified. Our answer is correct. Now next question is divide the following and check your answer. Check your answer means we have to verify our answer. And in previous video also you have learnt similar questions. So our first question is 3825 divided by 6. We have to solve it, we have to divide it, and after that we will verify the answer, we will check our answer. So first of all we will arrange the numbers as shown. Now 3825. First of all we will take 3 which is present in thousands place and we will divide it by 6. But as 3 is smaller and 6 is bigger, so it cannot be divided. So we will now take next digit which is present at hundreds place and we will treat 38 as hundreds. 38 hundreds. Now we will divide it by 6. Now 6 6s are 36. So we will write 6 as quotient over 8 and we will write 36 under 38. Now we will subtract them and we will get 2 as difference and we will bring another 2 down and it will become 22. Now 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. So we will write 6 3s are 18. We will write 3 as quotient over 2 and we will write 18 under 22. Now we will subtract them. 22 minus 18 is 4. Now we will bring down 5 and it will become 45. 45 ones ban jayenge ye. Now 6 7s are 42. 7 will be written as quotient over 5 and we will write 42 under 45. 45 minus 42 is 3. So now our answer is there. Quotient is 637 and remainder is 3. Now let's verify our answer, means let's check our answer. For this we will use the formula quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now quotient multiplied by divisor. Quotient is 637, divisor is 6 and we have got the remainder which is 3. So 637 multiplied by 6 plus 3, it should be equal to 3825 which is dividend. So let's check by multiplying 637 and 6. We will get 3822 as product. You have to do rough work for this children. आप rough work करेंगे, rough line draw करके 637 को 6 से multiply करेंगे and in result you will get 3822. Now add 3 in that which was remainder. 3822 plus 3 is equal to 3825 which is our dividend. So this way we have checked our answer. So we will write hence verified. Children, next question is find the quotient and remainder. And for this we will take 2 examples. First is 4605 divided by 6. Now we will arrange the numbers as shown and we will start division as 6 and 4 cannot be divided. 4 cannot be divided by 6. So we will take 46 and we will divide it by 6. 6 7s are 42. We will write 7 as quotient above 6 over 6 and we will write 42 under 46 and 46 minus 42 is 4. Now we will bring down 0 and it will become 40. Now 6 6 are 36. So we will write 6 as quotient over 0 and 6 6 are 36. We will write 36 under 40. 40 minus 36 is 4. Now bring down 5 and it will become 45. Now 6 7s are 42 and we will write 7 as quotient over 5 and 6 7s are 42. 42 will be written under 45. Now 45 minus 42 is equal to 3. So our answer is quotient is equal to 767 and remainder is equal to 3. Now B part is 2016 divided by 9. Now 9 and 2016 will be written as shown in the slide. Now we will try to divide 2 by 9. But it is not possible because 2 is smaller and 9 is bigger. So we will take 2 and 0 together. So it will become 20. Now 9 2s are 18. 2 will be written above 0 and 9 2s are 18. 18 will be written under 20. Now 20 minus 18 is 2. And we will bring down 1. So it will become 21. Again it will be 9 2s are 18. 2 will be written as quotient above 1. And 9 2s are 18. This 18 will be written under 21. 21 minus 18 is 3. And we will bring down 6 and it will become 36. Now 9 fours are 36 and 36 minus 36 is 0. 4 will be written above 6 as quotient and 36 minus 36 is 0. So our answer is quotient is equal to 224 and remainder is equal to 0. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.